Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Mammee Bay and we're giving you an update on the CHEC Roaring River Mammee Bay development. Now this development is moving at lightning speed. Some of these units look like they're close to being finished. Actually, one or two look like they're finished. I must say I'm very impressed with how fast this development is going. Now, this land is prime real estate. Prime real estate. And China Harbour Engineering Company actually asked the government of Jamaica for this land, and the Jamaican government gave them. In return, China Harbour Engineering Company would come to Jamaica and build Highway 2000 North-South leg. China Harbour Engineering Company specifically asked for this piece of land. Now this development, let's back up. China Harbour Engineering Company got 1,200 acres, 740 acres running along the highway. And they are actually building this development on 160 acres of the 740 acres. So a lot more developments to come. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. And these units that you're looking at, they're sold out. The entire phase 1 development is sold out. And I think they were sold out before the development even started, because once they started going up and we asked, they said phase 1 was sold out. And this was within days of them starting. The China Harbour Engineering Company CHEC, one of the largest construction firms operating in Jamaica, has embarked on a controversial real estate development in Roaring River, Mammee Bay, St. Anne. This development, a result of a land for infrastructure arrangement with the Jamaican government, represents one of the most ambitious residential projects in the country. Set against the backdrop of Jamaica's lush northern coastline, this project has stirred significant national debate. While it promises economic growth and housing expansion, it has also triggered environmental, cultural, and ethical concerns. The development spans approximately 740 acres, of which 160 acres are being developed in the first phase. The full project, to be completed by 2030, will consist of more than 834 housing units, including luxurious bungalows and multi-unit apartments, designed to accommodate around 4,000 to 4,500 residents. It will be a gated community featuring a clubhouse, swimming pool, gym, nature trails, and green spaces, clearly catering to the higher income demographic, including returning residents and expatriates. CHEC received this land as partial compensation for constructing the North-South Highway, a major infrastructure project that has significantly improved road connectivity from Kingston to the North Coast. While the deal may have seemed beneficial from a macroeconomic standpoint, the use of ecologically sensitive land for private development has sparked deep public concern. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Also, let us know what you think about how fast these units are going up. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.